Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my meal planner, which is a new layout for Happy Planner this year, and that's exactly what I'm going to be using. And we are going to be using a motivational sticker book from Recollections and planning for the week of March 21st through the 27th. This is kind of what I wanted to do. I thought it would be fun, so I am grabbing some letters from that book and spelling some things out. I think that's a lot of fun to do once in a while in a planner, especially if you don't use your alpha stickers very much. I tend to not to use them too much, but once in a while I get into the whole thing. So I'm just gonna put health journey on in my sidebar. I think that might be fun to do. So I'm spelling it out. My best tip to do it straight. Well, this one wouldn't be too bad because there's a line, but when you're doing it in the middle of a spread, you can actually put it on a ruler and make sure that it's the same distance before applying them onto the page and then trying to take them apart. These letters, because of all of the cutouts, are usually very, very delicate. So as I'm doing this, I wanted to say thank you. If you are joining me for the first time, welcome to my channel. I really hope you will enjoy this. And if you are coming back to spend time with me, thank you. Welcome back. And I am glad that you're choosing to spend your time with me. I'm really appreciative of that. So this book is actually really, really beautiful. I've done a flip through of it a while back. It's very pastel and motivational and really, really gorgeous and beautiful. So that's what I'm using in this spread. It has really pretty washi tapes, like you can see right now, where I'm blocking out the ingredients to prep, because yeah, I don't prep my ingredients in this planner. I just meal plan and go from there. So I'm going to go ahead and apply another color to the other side, like so, and we will go from there. I'm going to, when I saw the Thrive sticker, I couldn't help myself. That's my word for the year, is thrive and everything and anything. So that's why this was necessary to include in the spread. So let's go ahead and take a look at what is here so I can go ahead and use it to my benefit. I love colors like this, and I am actually going to use these checklists because during the week, well, every single day in my meal planner, I do track my medicine intake, my steps, my sleep, and my mood. And if one of those, if I see a trend of like me being down for a while or something, I will actually re-examine what I'm eating and how much I'm moving, and all of that is in one place. And it's such a like eye-opener when it comes to stuff like this. These are all very much holographic stickers, so they're really fun to look at in person. Maybe not as much on camera because I can see there's a little bit of glare, but in person it is just such a fun thing to look when everything just shimmers so beautifully. Look at these beautiful quotes and drawings. I really, really like them. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a few of these outlines of women. And I like that they made the skin colors kind of different. There's blue ones, there's pink ones, there's a purple one. I really, really like that. I think that's really what diversity is all about, not really seeing that in a lot of books, and usually it's geared towards one or the other. Okay, so I'm gonna add this little girl doing yoga right there. You can kind of see her, a little bit of an outline. They're very, very shiny stickers, so they don't show up that great on a camera when you have lights on, but they are really, really fantastic. So I'm gonna add some shoes as well because I think that's fun since I am tracking my steps. I've been trying to gear these spreads towards health more and more and not necessarily do flowers. I do have so many health books and wellness books, so I'm trying to really utilize this now. Like I said, I feel extremely fortunate to be able to do whatever I want in my planner and have the amount of stickers that I do. I know not everybody can do this, but since I have it, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Okay, so let's keep going. I want to add a few more things and make this spread a lot more fun. I think I want to add some graphics, so I'm gonna add some shoes to the spread and make it a lot of fun. I am going to, however, black out some of the line so I can go ahead and add these shoes like so. Keep on moving, and then more little shoes all over, some little times and shoes, and I think that might be great. Okay, so let's keep going and I'm gonna add this beautiful water bottle. Sweat now, shine later. Isn't that the truth? And then I'm gonna go ahead and add be present over the weekend. This is where I struggle the most with productivity, so that is going to be great to be there to remind me to make sure my butt is moving and doing stuff and being productive and using my time wisely, because I always complain that I don't have enough time. Yes, I do a lot, but I also waste a lot of time, I think. I don't know. And I don't know if everybody would necessarily call it a waste, but I definitely take my leisure time for sure. Make today count. What else? Maybe I can add that pink here to balance it out. I don't really snack very much, so it's kind of pointless for me to have that section. Most of the time I don't use more than one line, so that's pretty interesting. And then okay, what else can I do? Oh, I wanted to add one more thing, maybe to like a Monday. I will go ahead and remove that line and add this fearless of purple and blues. And I think I am pretty much done with the spread. I am really enjoying the way it turned out. When I fill it, I think it's going to be completely different too. So as always, when the month is over, I will be more than happy to share my flip through with you and show you all my after the pens. You guys know I am candid and don't really have anything that I hide. So I am working on my health journey for sure. So I am just going to go ahead and label these little things. So we have meds, sleep, steps, mood, and I'm going to go across the week and do all of those, and then we'll go from there. So after that, my spread is over, and I hope you guys are enjoying this, and if you are, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, please do so. That helps me tremendously, and it gives me so much motivation to see my channel grow. So thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you so much for spending this time with me and creating the spread. I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys did too. And I will see you very, very soon for another plan with me, as always. And have a nice, happy, and healthy weekend. Thanks so much. Bye.